you will. Oh, my heart beats for its hardest on this sun-drenched hill. At the foot of Trade Center with the heat rising off the blacktop, a burning dream. This stretch of highway, a powerful constant stream. Down through Waverly town, past the billboard, past the river, to Route 220, a winding ribbon wide where Elmira Street melts into the countryside. I catch the sign of Sayre or Athens, maybe both, like a story told without a clear oath. Each town line, a whispered shifting boundary, just sun-baked pavement stretching out for me. Strong, where I don't know where I truly belong. These geographic names, they tangled in my head. Every mile of memory, every word unsaid. Call it the valley, call it what you will. My heart beats hardest on this sun-drenched hill, with the heat rising off the blacktop, a burning dream. This stretch of highway, a powerful constant stream. Past clustered roofs and the river sloping, another overpass where the journey